Legends of Learning presents the Divide the Loot and Count It All game. This is a math game that makes learning about basic multiplication and division word problems fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, set sail on a thrilling pirate adventure in this exciting math journey. Players become a brave young sailor guided by a friendly Captain Jack. Together they explore mysterious islands, collecting glittering treasure and solving multiplication and division word problems to unlock new discoveries. Along the way, players count treasure crates, arrange in rows and columns, multiply to collect total loot, and divide gold fairly among the crew. Bright, colorful 2D challenge screens combine with immersive 3D sailing scenes to create a fun, story-driven learning experience. Players need to tap to sail and select answers during math challenges. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.